What's up, online shoppers? It's football season and I'm having a tailgating party, so we needed to have some tailgating essentials. And this little inflatable football target is definitely going to be one of my key events at the party. We will challenge the adults and the children and see who has the best aim. Now, this is a really cool inflatable target from Franklin, and all you have to do is blow it up so that you can have a really great target game. Comes in this nice little box here, and not only do you get the target right here, let's stretch it up a little bit. There it is, like that. And here is the places that you're aiming for. It blows up at the back like this and like this. They give you 2 inflatable footballs, and they even give you a pump so you can pump everything up. Now, total weight of this whole item is 2 pounds, so it's not a super heavy thing, and it will compact down into this box, so it's great for storage afterwards. It has 3 different holes, 1, 2, 3, and the net is actually built in to catch the football. So when you throw it, it's not going to go super far, the net will catch it. The front print is really great. At the top here, it says Franklin Future Champ, and it's just got a really nice football themed display across the front of it. The plastic itself is really nice and thick. It feels super sturdy. I think this would be great for a tailgating party, for a birthday party that's football themed, or even just for your kids or your grown-up kids if they want to throw a football around and prove who has the best aim. Now, the other thing about it is the base here is actually fillable with water because you want it to be able to stand up on its own. So you just have to pour water into here to weight the base of the blow-up toy down, and then you use air to inflate this. So it is also self-standing. You don't have to worry about propping it up against something, and that's pretty cool. The other thing is when it's knocked down, it's gonna pop right back up again. One more thing to show you before I go and blow it up. The top of the pump here actually has the needle inside. So you just have to pull the needle out and screw it into place, and your pump is ready to go. So now I've got it fully assembled, which means lots of breaths or lots of pumps. There is actually a little valve on the back of this that allows you to put this needle in, and you can just do with a hand pump, which is definitely enough to make you sweat because it's a lot of pumps to blow this up. So I did blow it up half by mouth and then half by hand, which was good. But I liked that it had the valve in it so I could actually close it and then finish getting it really nice and full like that. And it also allows me to blow up the 2 little footballs that go in there. And they are a nice little size. They actually have 3D laces on them so you can actually get your good football grip on it so you can throw a spiral if you want to. Now, the bottom here is fillable with water or sand if you desire. I haven't put any water in it yet. I honestly just have it propped up against my chair here for the demonstration, but I can't promise I'm a good shot, and you just have to throw it through the hole and it catches. So it's easy enough to retrieve your ball, and of course the farther away from the target you are, the harder the job is. You've got 3 different targets, you've got a net to catch, and whether you're using it for a tailgating game or for a kid's birthday party or just for your little football fan, it definitely is a super cool gift. This football target by Franklin is awesome, easy to assemble, nice parts, even comes with the pump that you need to put it together. Super high quality PVC plastic, heavy duty, doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.